Today I'm going to show you how to put together this GE antenna. Now this is very confusing without any instructions, so I figured this video will make it much more helpful. I've already laid out all the parts here, and let's just go ahead and get started. So first thing we will need is a Phillips screwdriver, and we will attach these metal brackets to the center of the antenna first. You'll notice there's an A, B, and C, and that's what we attach these to. This is the A, the smallest ones, the B, and the C. The bottom side is this one here. So let's go ahead and just undo these screws for the A's. And so we simply just insert this into here and screw it down to lock this in. Repeat this for the other side. Do the same for the B's. And lastly, repeat that for the C. Once these metal fins are attached to this center piece here, we're going to grab this metal bracket. We're going to undo the Phillips screws on the top and bottom. And this one here is a hex bolt, so we'll need to undo that. To undo that one, we'll go ahead and grab a wrench and simply undo that bolt there. So we're going to grab this metal bracket here, slide it in to this piece. We're going to lock that nut piece in first. All right, so now in this center piece, we're going to take out this screw here. And on the back side, we're going to take out these two nuts. And we'll take this metal piece here. You'll see one side smaller than the other side, and what that does is that interlocks into here. This goes on the top, and these two on the bottom lock into these nuts. So as you can see, this one goes in here. This one goes into here. We'll use the lock washer and the nuts and tighten them down. On the top side, we'll insert that one screw and go ahead and tighten that down. Now we'll grab these two plastic pieces, attach them together. You'll see these two plastic pieces slide into each other. Slide this through the plastic piece here, like so. And on the back, we are going to attach the Phillips screw. That is on the top of this, and then one more on the bottom here. Now we're going to grab these metal sticks here and insert them into the antenna. And starting at the top, we just press this tab up, and we stick one of these skewer sticks right through the antenna. You'll notice there are two lines here. Those need to be centered here. And that just lets you know you're at the center. So go ahead and repeat this for all of these slots. So now, once you have all of these metal pieces attached to your antenna, we are going to attach these rubber end caps, and we simply just take this and put it right on here. And that's it for the antenna assembly. We will now assemble the stand. So for the stand here, we have our mounting bracket, as well as the pole and the mounting hardware. These 4 screws we're going to use to attach this bracket to a wall, so we'll set this aside. This one is our ground screw, which we'll set aside as well. And we'll use these 2 bolts, as well as washers, to attach the pole onto the mounting bracket. And so we take the pole, we take the bent end and put it into the stick, into the mounting bracket, and insert 2 bolts. Make sure these are lined up. all the way through with a lock washer. Now we'll come over to this side, put another washer in, and screw down that bolt, just enough to hold it into place until we go to mount this. This last area is for our grounding screw, and this is optional. If you were to ground the antenna, you install a ground wire here. So we take the pole, this side facing the wall, put it over this here, and we grab that U-shaped bolt, slide it on through, and thread these on through to the back of the bolt. Now here is a quick look at the antenna. All assembled. The bottom should have the cable. And here is a look at the mounting assembly. If you undo this screw here, it'll loosen this bolt. And so you can freely rotate this, and this goes mounted to the wall. Now when you go to attach the cable onto the antenna, there is this rubber boot. And simply with this, we just cut it wider by putting 4 little slits in here. And this basically protects the rain elements from the cable getting rusted. And we simply slide the cable into here, just like so. And here on the antenna, we attach this end and screw it into place and slide the rubber boot right into here. All right, so here's my antenna. I've gone ahead and mounted it in the attic, and you can see the mounting bracket there going up. And I've faced the antenna facing most of the towers in my area, and I've got it going down, going into a 3-way splitter and connecting to the TV. All right, so after you've gone ahead and connected the antenna to your TV, it'll look like there's no channels coming in. And this is very important. To get this working, you have to go through your channels manager. So somewhere in your settings here, and you go to channel tuning, and you run an auto scan, and that will find all of the channels available in your area. So after the channel scan, it's found 57 channels, and without the channel scan, it would not have shown any of these. We're gonna hit done. And now you can see we have live antenna television on our TV. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about an antenna. Do you think it's worth it? For about 40 bucks a month, you get free TV. Let me know if you guys would get an antenna. Also, if you have any questions on this antenna, go ahead and leave them down below. Leave me a big thumbs up if you found the video helpful. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel. That would help out a lot as well. And check out my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.